Oh, look at that Jeep Wrangler. Oh wait, it's not a Wrangler. A Jeep Grand. That's not a Grand Cherokee. Ah, it's a Gladiator. Remember Russell Crowe? Oh, I don't remember it as famous. But look at this. And guess what? He can go mud riding. He can do whatever he wants after the 14-day cure period. Remember him saying, "Oh my God, people tell me that's so expensive." Quality costs. You can save pennies on like a loaf of bread or a bottle of peanut butter, you know? You can't save pennies on quality, people. I promise you. What do you get? Ceramic Pro Gold. Bing, 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 bing. 5-star. Top tier ceramic coating. Oh my God. It came out great. Everything's coated. His plastics, his rims, his windows, his paint. But the paint is the only warranty thing. Looks great. Came out phenomenal. See you next year.